Okay, guys, welcome to the continuation of our testnet video on Mango testnet activity tutorial. So last time, the previous video, we stopped at the first task. If you want to get more info about the first video, what we did, and how we went about the first task, check icon, the icon above. Click it to get to that video. So currently now we're going to be looking if the transactions went through after synchronizing. So let's check. So successfully the transactions went through and I was given completed check mark and 3 points were added to my total points. So that's for the first task. So now going to the next task, we go back to events. Then the next task is to bridge Mango. So we click the M icon. So if you want to get know more about how we got our test tokens using the Discord and the wallet, you check the part one of this video, which is the Mango tutorial testnet part one. I'll also leave the description in the bio, and also you can click the card above to get more insight on that video. So moving on, we will have to perform this certain task now to get 10 points from Mango testnet. So first of all, let's do the first task, which is Mango to BSC. So we'll be scrolling down and clicking go to do task. Now why that okay, it has popped up. Why it's loading? Okay. Now, first of all, for us to get to connect our wallet, because this is the major particular place most people are getting issue. So for you to solve this issue, what you have to do is just don't click the wallet first. Click the select network. Now select the network you're going to be converting to. So this first task tells us to convert from Mango to BSC. So we'll be choosing Mango testnet. Is it? Then you can now click the connect wallet. Now your wallet should be automatically connected. Now if your wallet doesn't automatically connect, it should pop up the Mango testnet icon telling you to approve the wallet connection. Then you approve. Then we're converting to BSC. So first of all, let's select an asset on Mango first. So we have our USDT with the balance. So remember the last thing we converted to was USDT. So that same USDT is what we're going to be using here. So click the USDT icon. Now it has displayed. So automatically the BSC testnet token should appear on the background. So now that the BSC token has appeared, you click the amount of tokens you want to swap. So I'll be swapping 0.1. That should give me an equivalent balance of 0.1. So then I connect my normal Web3 wallet. So this is your normal wallet you use for different transactions, not your testnet wallet. So this wallet you're connecting is either your MetaMask Web3 wallet or your OKX Web3 wallet. So we click connect and your wallet should connect automatically or pop up an ID transaction for you to approve. So next thing we click is submit. After clicking submit, we approve the transaction. After approving the transaction, we wait for the transaction to confirm. So the transaction was successful. So the same thing we did previously on the part one video, you have to go back and click submit so the transaction can go through. So click submit, completed automatically as you can see. So now we go to the next task, which is to convert Mango to ETH. So we'll go back to our swap section. We're already on Mango, so what we just need to do is to change this BSC testnet token to Ethereum. So click it, we choose ETH testnet token. You select the token you are transforming to, you select USDT. So now we're going to be swapping zero point 0.1 out of Mango Testnet token to it. So my wallets have already been connected. So I move on. So I submit the transaction and wait for the pop-up. Then I approve and wait for the transaction to be successful. So transaction successful. So now I'll just go back to my Mango testnet site and click submit. So it could approve. So it's synchronizing completed. So those two tasks have been completed. So the fourth task, which is BSC to Mango, will also be performing that. So go back to the swap section. So this top should be BSC. So we choose this BSC testnet token. We connect our wallets. We select the token we're converting to. BNB is the only available one, so we select it. Then down, we're already on the Mango. Connect our Mango wallets. Then that's also, we're going to be swapping back from BSC to Mango. So I'll be swapping zero point 0.1 BSC testnet token to Mango. Click submit. Now, if it should show an icon like this on your screen, just know that the particular transaction or the particular feature is not yet available. This is not the first time this is happening, so we're going to be skipping this phase. Currently, if you should try yours and it goes through, lucky for you. But currently now the tax cannot be performed. I've announced it on the Discord channel for Mango and they are working on it. The devs are working on it. So we're going to be leaving this tax and moving on to the next tax. So we'll try the it to Mango. So the top will be choosing Ethereum testnet token, then below Mango automatically. So we'll be selecting it to Mango. Wallet connected, the amount zero point 0.1, amount here zero point 0.1. So we submit. The same icon is showing. You can see this dark icon, which means it's not yet live. The tax is not yet live. So we skip these two. Then if you want to get more info about when this tax will come live, just subscribe and click the notification button. I'll be giving a post on when the tax is live. So I'll be giving the post on YouTube and on my Twitter, on my X account. If you want to get more info about the testnet, so you can join our premium group, which is free. Just comment I want to join below, and I'll be sending you the invite link to join our premium group. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. So after performing this task and you still see that dark icon displayed, you know that the task is not yet live. So now we're going to be skipping these two sections and going back. So now we're going to be skipping this and going back to the event section. Now we're going to be performing the next task, which is the Bindex Beta D app, which will give us 15 points per day. So we'll click this blue circle icon, should take us here. Now, there are only two tasks for us to perform in this section, converting AI to USDT and USDT to AI. So we'll click the go to do task, which will direct us automatically to the group, to the site, sorry. Now, once we're on the site, we should just allow it to load in about a minute or two. Then while it loads, okay, yeah, it's loading. So this is the Bindex website where we're going to be swapping AI USDT to Mango testnet to AI token to USDT Mango testnet token. So for this is what we have to do. Pay attention closely because here is the particular place where people don't understand or know where to actually click or insert their arrow icon. So this is what you do. You go down here, you can see that there is an AI USDT section here for trade and the trade is not yet live. So what you do is you click this AI icon. Once you click this AI icon, the buy and sell page will now be displayed for you to trade your AI USDT tokens on Mango Testnet. So we'll be going back. So we're going to be converting AI token to USDT token. So we'll go back to the DEX website. Now we're going to buy on market. I'm going to be choosing, let me leave it at 25%. Yes, 25. Okay, 25% is okay. I'll leave it at 26. It doesn't really matter. So 26% is okay. So we click buy. We approve the transaction and wait for the transaction to be successful. So the operation has been successful. So the same thing we have been doing over the previous tax. We go back to the Mango testnet. We click submit because we just bought AI using USDT. So we allow it to synchronize. Then we go back to the DEX website and sell, which is converting back to AI. So we use market order, choose 25%, and we click sell. Wait for the wallet icon to be displayed. Then we approve the transaction and wait for the operation to be successful. Operation successful. So we have successfully sold and bought. So we go back and click submit and wait for the tax to synchronize. So this one has been completed. So wait for the top to be completed also. It doesn't matter if you wait here or you can rather go and you can do other tasks while this keeps on loading. But eventually, you're going to get your tokens as far as you've completed that particular task as it is said on the steps. So we'll just go back to the next task. We've completed this being guest task. So we'll go to the next one, which is being Dex app. Downloading and installing it on the mobile app, collect a gas fee of Mango Testnet and get 10 points. So we just click this blue icon here. After clicking the blue icon, we scroll down. Now you can see connect to Mango test network and sign to receive gas. So majorly how you do this is you have to do this on your wallet, which is this claim faucet. This claim faucet, that's what it actually means. So once you claim faucet, once you successfully get the testnet token, that task will be completed. But now the claim faucet icon is having an error issue, which is also under under development by the devs. So just for now, have to leave this task and go back. Just click claim to gas. Eventually, if you've claimed on the Discord, it might not. But since they said your transaction is being submitted, we'll just leave it like this and hopefully pray that it goes through because on this is not our own fault on this end. So let's go back to the tax section, events, and the last tax here is the Discord tax, which you have to send your wallet to Discord and claim the testnet token. Like I said previously at the beginning of this video, just check the icon above, the card above, click it to get a rundown of how we went to their Discord, where we went to their Discord and claimed the testnet token. So we click this M icon here. Okay, at the Discord at the bot in Discord and send the Mango address. So I've already done this in the first step, in the first tutorial video. So it's still synchronizing. This is a continuation of the first tutorial video, so it's still synchronizing. So if you have successfully done this task according to the way it was narrated, the process was how it was narrated in the first tutorial video for this Mango testnet, you'll be having the synchronizing app, you'll be having the synchronizing feature still on. So eventually it will be completed. So let's go back and check our events and check if our previous tasks on being gets better the app has completed. Okay, like I said, no need to have any mindset of being troubled. You can see now the AI USDT tax have completed. The same with the USDT to AI tax. As both of them have been completed. So we just go back to the events. Now, if you look closely, if you want to check a rundown of whether you've been getting points, whether you have not been getting points, if you want to check the amount of points you have accumulated so far based on the um, tax you performed, what you just need to do is go to your reward section. Once you go to your reward section, you will see the amount of points you got and the particular tax you did. So you can see here for being guest the app daily tax, I got 15 points. For Mango Swap daily, I got 3 points. For Discord daily, I got 5 points. Remember, I told you once the Discord daily app shows synchronizing, just don't worry, ignore it. As far as you have completed it on the Discord server, it will surely pop up and give you required points. So remember what I said about the 5-day daily check-in. Once you consecutively check in on the Mango Testnet, performing each of the tasks 5 consecutive times, you'll be getting 30 points on the fifth day for each of those tasks you did. So for example, for being Dex the app daily, if I should do it for 5 times, I'll be getting 30 points boost here. For Mango Swap daily, I'll be getting 30 points boost here. For Discord daily, I'll be getting 30 points boost here. So that's just how it is. So this is all for now for how to navigate through the Mango Testnet website, how to claim tokens, how to claim the faucets, how to navigate to your wallet, and also how to perform tax. So the last thing I'll be talking about here is how to stake to get more testnet tokens, because testnet tokens are what matters in the second thing that matters in the biggest in the Mango testnet website. So this will not be done on the website. For this, you have to back to your wallet, Mango wallet, and testnet wallet to complete this task. So this is what you do: you go to your Mango wallet, you go to validator staking. Now you can see I already have about one mango staked, and I'm earning about 0.05357 mango. So if I want to stake more, what I just do is click stake more and choose any of these validators here. Choose any of the validators. So I'm going to be choosing this guy here. Then I'll click select amount. I'll be selecting, I have 2.7 mango, so I'll be choosing 2 because staking is a very beneficial way to earn mango testnet tokens. So I'll be choosing 2. The gas fee is already written here. So I'm going to be clicking stake now. Staking rewards redeemable in 45 hours, 38 minutes. So which means all my staking rewards will be generated over 45 hours, 38 minutes every time my staking rewards are available. So I have completed my stake and I am going to be earning this amount, though the APY is low. So if you don't have any APY, it's either two reasons. Maybe because the APY is in decimal, or maybe they don't give you any APY here. So if you want to do this, you can also unstake the token and choose another validator. So the two mango that I staked has been deducted from my main balance and has been added to my coin list. So that's all for now, guys. Remember to like and subscribe this video. Also comment on any part of the video you think I should drop, or anything you don't majorly understand. I'll do my best to assist and help in the comment section. You can also follow on Twitter. Also drop a like and a comment. It's very helpful. It boosts the video. Also click on the notification bell icon to get notified on when new tutorial videos like this are released. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.